Introducing the Prolux CTX Canister Vacuum, an innovative cleaning powerhouse designed to revolutionize your home maintenance routine. With its advanced water filtration system and powerful suction capabilities, this vacuum surfaces effectively and purifies the air, combating allergens and contaminants for a healthier living environment. Crafted with premium materials and assembled with meticulous attention to detail in the USA, this vacuum embodies reliability and durability. Versatile in its applications and equipped with a comprehensive set of accessories, this vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and performance. Say goodbye to ordinary cleaning methods and experience the superior cleaning prowess of this vacuum. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. This vacuum sets itself apart with its exceptional performance. Equipped with a 2-speed Italian motor generating an impressive 130 cubic feet per minute suction power, it surpasses the industry average by a significant margin. This robust suction power ensures faster and more efficient cleaning results, effectively removing dust, dirt, pet hair, and other debris from various surfaces. Number 2. Advanced filtration. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its innovative water filtration system, which works in tandem with advanced light technology to purify the air as it cleans. Using water filtration, this vacuum effectively traps contaminants and allergens, providing fresh air in your living space. This is especially beneficial for individuals prone to allergies, as it helps create a healthier indoor environment. Number 3. Bagless Convenience. Say goodbye to cumbersome vacuum bags and filters. This vacuum utilizes bagless water filtration technology, where the water basin serves as the primary filter. Simply fill the water basin to the designated fill line and let the water capture dirt and debris. When cleaning is complete, emptying the dirty water is a breeze. Simply dispose of it in the toilet or outside and witness the visible results of your cleaning efforts. Number 4. Versatile cleaning. Designed for versatility, this vacuum can tackle a wide range of surfaces within a 30-foot radius. From floors to couches and everything in between, its powerful suction and assortment of included attachments ensure thorough cleaning results. Whether you're dealing with hardwood floors, carpets, or upholstery, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance across the board. Number 5. Premium construction. Crafted with premium materials and boasting meticulous engineering, this vacuum is a testament to quality and reliability. Assembled in the USA using parts sourced from America, Germany, and Italy, it embodies superior craftsmanship. This attention to detail ensures longevity and durability, making this vacuum a worthwhile investment for long-term cleaning needs. Number 6. Convenient features. This vacuum comes equipped with a comprehensive set of accessories to enhance usability and convenience. From the versatile floor tool and upholstery tool to the crevice tool and duster brush, each attachment serves a specific cleaning purpose. Additionally, the inclusion of a handheld shampooer and mini turbo adds further versatility, allowing for deep cleaning of various surfaces. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 16 inches length by 15 inches width by 23 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Prolux CTX Canister Vacuum exceeds expectations on all fronts, offering exceptional cleaning power, advanced filtration technology, and unmatched convenience. Its robust suction, coupled with innovative water filtration, ensures thorough cleaning while purifying the air for a healthier home environment. Crafted with premium materials and assembled with precision, this vacuum embodies durability and reliability. With its comprehensive set of accessories and versatile design, it adapts to various cleaning tasks effortlessly. Bid farewell to ordinary cleaning appliances and elevate your home maintenance routine with the superior performance of this vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.